Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare neon versus LED strip lighting. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand the core technologies behind each. Then, we'll delve into key factors like durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Finally, I'll guide you through choosing the best lighting solution for your specific needs, whether for a home project or a commercial installation, ensuring you make an informed decision. Neon lighting relies on gas-filled glass tubes, requiring high voltage for its distinctive glow. In contrast, LED strips use light-emitting diodes on a flexible circuit board, operating on a much safer low voltage. This solid-state construction makes LED strips significantly more durable and resistant to breakage. They also boast a much longer lifespan, often exceeding 50,000 hours, compared to neon's typical 10,000 hours, offering greater longevity. When it comes to performance, LED strips are remarkably energy efficient, consuming up to 80% less power than traditional neon. This translates to significant savings on your electricity bill. LED technology also offers a broader spectrum of colors and dynamic lighting effects, providing immense creative flexibility. While neon delivers a unique, continuous glow, LED strips can achieve comparable brightness with considerably less heat output, making them safer and more versatile. Considering cost, the initial installation for custom neon can be higher due to specialized glass bending and transformers. LED strips, however, are generally more affordable to purchase and install, especially for do-it-yourself projects. Maintenance costs are also typically lower for LEDs, thanks to their extended lifespan and easier replacement. Neon often shines in unique signage and artistic displays, whereas LED strips are incredibly versatile for accent lighting, task lighting, and various decorative applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.